Okay, page 5, matching. I think you guys enjoyed doing this. So, matches. So this has a amplitude that's bigger than the vertical shift. So this will have a loop with loop. It is cosine, so it's a positive cosine, so the big loop should be on that side of the graph. So let's look over here. So I have a loop here, but it's down. That's a sine loop, not a cosine loop. This one, here's a limacon with the loop. It is sideways. It reaches all the way out to, I think that's 9. 9, so that's a plus b is 9. Yep, 3 plus 6 is 9. So odds are that this is C. Okay, here, same thing. This is bigger, so the amplitude is bigger, so this is another limacon with an inner loop. And it's negative sign, so it should be down. So we have another loop here. This is down. It's reaching all the way out to 9. Great. And this inside one is 3. Awesome. So this will be E. Okay, these two are the same. When the two are the same, that's going to be a cardioid, a little heart one. So it should just touch the pole and bounce off. So we're looking, and it's cosine and it's negative. So the heart should be opening over that direction. So let's look over here. Here's one, but that looks more like a circle, less like a heart. Oh, here's one. This one looks like a heart. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So it should come all the way out to 6. It does. So that is that one. So this one should be I. So here, this is a one where the vertical shift is bigger than the amplitude. So this is going to be just a limacon with no loop. It's negative cosine, so it should be on that side. The bigger side should be on that side of the graph. So it should look like sideways, like this one maybe. 6 plus 3 is 9, so that reaches out far enough. And then 6 minus 3 is 3, so it's just short enough. So it should be this one right here, F. Okay, here I have, there is no vertical, the glare's on, that's awful. Let's see if this will fix it. See if that's better. Okay, so negative, didn't help too much. Okay, negative 6 times cosine, so that is a circle with a diameter of 6. This is a diameter of 6 because the cosine, it should be centered at negative 3. And it'll be on this side over here. I think I like it better with that light on. There it goes. Okay, so we're looking for a circle that sticks out to negative 6 over here. So that's this one right here. So this one should be A. Okay, here I have sine. It's a 3-petal flower. There's a 3 is the coefficient, so this is a 3-petal flower. And because it's an odd sign, I need to check to see what kind of, what's this right here? What family of numbers does that fall into? And that is 4k plus 3. So that means that because this is 4k plus 3, the positive flower or positive petal should be down. So it should look something like that right there. Terribly not symmetric. So we'll look over here, and we have this one right here, L. So yeah, if it's a 4k plus 3, a petal will be on this southern axis here, or this bottom axis. If it's 4k plus 1 for sine, the petal will be on the top axis. Okay, here is a 6-petal flower. It is cosine, so I should have petals on the axes. So here, this looks, oh, not a 6-petal, it should be a 12-petal flower. 12-petal, because it's double that. So right here, This one is a 12 petal flower, but I don't have petals on the horizontal axes. So this is a 12 petal flower, and there are petals on the axes, so this is the cosine one. So that should be J. R equals theta over 3. This should be a spiral going outward, and the only one that's a spiral is that one right there. No sine or cosine. That means it's either going to be a spiral or a straight line or a circle with the origin of the center. Okay, this one is a 3-petal flower. It's cosine, so it's going to be side to side. It's negative cosine, so it should be going out that way. I should have a petal like this on the axis there, and I can see that I have one right here at B. Three sine of 6 theta. This is a 12-petal flower. 12-petal flower, and there should be, because it's sine and it's even, no petals will be on the axes. So we have this one right here, no petals on the axes. So we get G. R equals 6 is just a circle on the 6 ring of the polar function, which is D right here. It's on the 6 ring. It's just a circle on the 6 ring. So that one is D. And then theta equals pi over 6. That's just a straight line at pi over 6 right here. So that one's going to be K. Okay, that concludes page 5.